Dave, Dusty, Fabspeed. This brings back memories for me because I'm a 70s guy. True muscle car, no turbochargers, no superchargers, just big ass, normally aspirated muscle power. Right here, am I right?
Yeah, V10, 5.2 liter, flat plane crank, big screams.
We are going for a ride. I'm really excited about doing this today. I personally had an Audi RS5, normally aspirated, nice V8, really felt the car in your chest when you really got on it. This is so much more car.
Oh, you're gonna feel it today. These Gen 2s, they have a lot of power. So this has our Valvetronic exhaust. Right now the valves are closed. It's very very mild to wild.
You know, this is a nice road. I'm going to push
They turned some heads there.
Oh my goodness. Woo! Right up to the rev limiter.
Oh, those are crisp.
We'll slow it down real quick. Make sure nobody's looking at us. Fabspeed Valvetronic system open. Here we go.